Welcome to Product Plus. From precision routers to versatile clamps, powerful grinders, smart jigs, portable tables, and compact screwdrivers, these tools streamline every DIY or professional project, making woodworking, repairs, and creative builds smoother, faster, and far more enjoyable. All products links in the description section below. Whether you're fixing things around the house, tackling weekend DIY builds, or working on tougher metal projects, having a reliable bit set makes everything smoother. That's where this Cobalt drill bit kit fits perfectly into your workflow, strong, heat-resistant, and ready for stainless steel, cast iron, or everyday repairs. It keeps your projects moving without the usual slips or overheating, making each task feel more effortless. And with its organized case, it's always easy to grab and go. Priced at $47.78, it's a smart upgrade worth trying today. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or tackling detailed repairs, this compact 5-in-1 drill driver easily adapts to whatever the day throws at you. Its flexible attachments make tight corners, edge work, and high-torque jobs feel surprisingly simple, all while keeping your workspace comfortable and efficient. With long battery life and a lightweight build, it's the kind of tool that naturally becomes your everyday go-to for quick fixes and bigger projects alike. And with a solid price of $159, it's a practical upgrade you'll appreciate from the first use. If you love clean edges, smooth trims, or adding detailed touches to your wood projects, this compact palm router fits beautifully into your workflow. It's easy to handle, steady in the hand, and powerful enough to shape, carve, and refine without feeling bulky or intimidating. The variable speed gives you the flexibility to match each task, while the durable aluminum base keeps things precise and consistent. Whether you're upgrading your workshop or tackling weekend builds, it brings a level of control that makes every pass feel better. Priced at $89, it's a reliable choice for confident craftsmanship. From quick home fixes to bigger builds, having a dependable impact driver makes every fastening job feel easier and faster. This one delivers strong torque and higher PMIs, so driving screws, lag bolts, or larger fasteners becomes a smooth, no-strain task. The one-handed bit changes keep your workflow moving, and the built-in LED light helps you stay accurate even in dim spaces. It's lightweight, easy to grab for any project, and fits naturally into a weekend DIY routine. And at $69, it's a smart pick for everyday reliability and performance you'll appreciate. When you're working with trim, framing lumber, or detailed molding, having a miter saw that cuts cleanly and confidently makes every project feel more manageable. This sliding model gives you smooth, accurate passes with powerful performance that handles both small adjustments and heavy-duty cuts. The LED shadow line helps you see exactly where the blade will land, while the dust collection keeps your workspace clearer. Whether you're remodeling, crafting, or tackling pro-level jobs, it brings precision you can trust from the first cut. At $499, it's built to elevate every project you tackle. When you're installing cabinet doors, having a hinge jig that keeps everything aligned takes the stress out of getting clean, precise holes. This metal setup stays steady while you work, giving you smooth drilling and consistent depth without the guesswork. The built-in vacuum adapter keeps dust out of the way, making the whole process cleaner and easier. Whether you're updating a kitchen, fixing old cabinetry, or tackling a new woodworking project, it brings accuracy that saves time and frustration. And priced at $42.32, it's a straightforward upgrade that makes every installation feel effortless. When you're cutting thin, consistent strips for trim, inlays, or detailed woodworking, having a guide that keeps every pass identical really boosts your accuracy. This thin rib jig makes setup simple. Just slide it into your table saw's T-slot, lock it in place, and you're ready for smooth, repeatable cuts. The one-way roller keeps your workpiece moving safely forward, helping prevent kickback while maintaining uniform thickness. Whether you're crafting fine pieces or preparing materials for larger builds, it's a tool that adds both safety and precision. And at $25.39, it's a smart addition to any workshop setup. When you're working around pipes, trims, or any awkward curves, having a tool that instantly copies the exact shape makes your cuts cleaner and your projects smoother. This contour gauge presses neatly against irregular edges, locks in place, and gives you a perfect outline to trace onto tile, flooring, or wood. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and incredibly handy for anything from home repairs to car bodywork. Whether you're a dyer or just tackling occasional upgrades, it saves time and prevents guesswork. And at $18.99, it's a small tool that delivers big accuracy every time. When you're joining wood for furniture, cabinets, or DIY builds, a reliable pocket hole jig takes the guesswork out of strong, precise joints. This one keeps your work pieces steady, lets you adjust quickly for different material thicknesses, and ensures every hole lands perfectly for a secure fit. Its compact design fits tight spaces, while the included clamps make setup easy and repeatable. Whether you're tackling indoor projects or outdoor builds, it helps every connection feel professional and solid. Priced at $34.99, it's a simple tool that makes woodworking more enjoyable every time. Whether you're cutting, grinding, or polishing metal, having a versatile angle grinder makes your work faster and more precise. This cordless model adapts to multiple speeds, giving you control for rough cuts or fine finishing, while the brushless motor delivers longer life and efficient power. Its ergonomic grip and adjustable handle keep your hands comfortable and steady, even during extended projects. Compatible with popular batteries, it fits seamlessly into your toolkit. For anyone tackling metalwork or DIY repairs, it's a tool that boosts confidence and efficiency. Priced at $49.99, it's a handy addition for every workshop setup. Whether you're sanding, rooting, or making precise cuts, having a versatile toolkit simplifies every woodworking project. This combo brings 3 essential tools together, each with brushless motors for longer runtime and smoother performance. Compact, cordless, and easy to handle, it lets you move from task to task without missing a beat. Perfect for dyers or pros tackling furniture, cabinets, or home improvements, it combines efficiency, power, and convenience in one kit. With batteries and charger included, you're ready to go. Priced at $399, it's an investment that enhances every workshop experience. Whether you're working on home projects, remodeling, or tackling framing and trim, a portable table saw makes precise cutting effortless. This model combines power with convenience. Its rack and pinion fence ensure smooth, accurate cuts, while the folding stand makes setup, transport, and storage easy. The adjustable blade and bevel range let you handle a variety of wood sizes, and the dust port keeps your workspace clean. Compact yet robust, it fits both job site and workshop needs. Priced at $279, it's a reliable tool that makes every woodworking task faster and more enjoyable. When you're assembling cabinets, frames, or DIY woodworking projects, having a corner clamp keeps everything perfectly aligned and stable. These spring-loaded clamps hold boards at a precise 90-degree angle, letting you screw, glue, or nail with confidence. Lightweight and easy to use with one hand, they save time while keeping your work accurate. Ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers, they simplify tricky corners and T-joints. Whether you're framing photos, building furniture, or reinforcing boxes, this set is handy and versatile. Priced at $14.99, it's a small tool that delivers big results every time. For anyone juggling multiple projects, a portable work table transforms how you work. The Works Pegasus folds and unfolds effortlessly, switching between a sturdy workbench and a heavy-duty sawhorse in seconds. Its large surface and integrated clamps hold materials securely, while the lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store. Perfect for woodworking, painting, or general repairs, it provides reliable support wherever you need it. Durable yet portable, this table adapts to every task with ease. Priced at $99.99, it's a versatile companion for every workshop environment. Tackling small assembly projects or tight space repairs is a breeze with a compact, versatile screwdriver. The Skill Twist 2.0 features a pivoting head that locks at multiple angles, letting you reach awkward corners without strain. With adjustable torque settings, forward or reverse operation, and an integrated LED for visibility, it combines precision with convenience. USB-C charging and a full 28-piece bit set keep you prepared for any job at home or on the go. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for everyday tasks. Priced at $34.99, perfect for every dyer's toolbox. Upgrade your woodworking precision with the Bosch 1617 EVS PK, a 2.5 HP combination router offering both plunge and fixed base functionality. Its powerful 12-amp motor, adjustable speed dial 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, and constant response circuitry ensure smooth starts and consistent performance. Microfine bit depth adjustment and rounded hardwood handles provide maximum control for intricate cuts, while the threaded 3-hole base and dust-sealed power switch enhance stability and durability. Perfect for professional and hobbyist woodworkers alike, this versatile router makes complex routing tasks effortless. Available now for $229, delivering power, precision, and reliability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing woodwork, home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.